Hey guys, welcome back to Shona Land, and today I'll be taking you through the letter G from the Shona alphabet, and I'll be combining it with the Shona vowels. So as a recap, we say that the Shona alphabet consists of consonants and vowels, and the vowels are the ones that determine how you pronounce the different Shona words. So the vowels, you pronounce them as follows. We've got A, A, E, 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 O, O, U, U. So today we'll be combining the letter G with the Shona vowels, and I'll also give you sample words, Shona words, so that you can properly learn how to pronounce the combination of G and the Shona vowels. So when you combine the letter G with the vowel A, you get Ga, Ga, Ga. When you combine it with A, you get Ge, Ge, Ge. When you combine it with E, it's Gi, Gi, Gi. When you combine it with O, it's Go, Go, Go. When you combine it with U, it's Gu, Gu, Gu. So just to give you sample Shona words, for Ga, we've got the Shona word Gara, Gara. The English translation is sit, Gara. For Ge, we've got the word Geza, Geza. And the English translation is bath. That's like bathing, Geza. For Gi, we've got Gidi, Gidi, Gidi. That's gun in English. Gogo, Gogo. In English, it's grandmother. For Gu, we've got Gumbo, Gumbo, Gumbo. That's leg in English. So for Ga, Gara. For Ge, Geza. For Gi, Gidi. For Go, Gogo. For Gu, Gumbo. Thank you guys for watching. Be on the lookout for the next video where I'll be taking you the letter H and combining it with the Shona vowels. See you on the next video. Don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe, and like our videos. Thank you very much.